Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm here with another daily update about the crypto market, and I'm going to share with you what I see on the Bitcoin chart today. Stay with me, let's check him out. Today we are going to start with Bitcoin on daily time frame. As you might be aware about that one, since 2 days ago Bitcoin is making correction to the downside. It's about 9%, 10% to the downside. This correction actually is necessary for the next bull run, but as you can see on the chart, Bitcoin is still making higher low on the daily time frame. As you can see on the chart, I've written it for you. Bitcoin is still on the uptrend, and this correction for Bitcoin is really necessary, because when Bitcoin is making correction like this, that shows us actually this bull run is really healthy, and after that maybe we are going to see another big run to the upside, another correction, another big run to the upside, another correction. This is really good for Bitcoin, but if Bitcoin actually go straight to the upside, it's not necessary, it's not really that good, and it's not healthy. And after that fast going to the upside, maybe we are going to see another fast correction as well. But when Bitcoin is making higher high and higher low and higher high and higher low, that shows us this bull run is really healthy, and the retail trader actually and the bigger trader, they are investing at the right time on the Bitcoin. The thing is, as I told you about a few days ago, if Bitcoin closes a daily candle below actually this area, which is the daily candle we have got in here, about $17,100, if Bitcoin closes a daily candle below this area, is going to be bearish, because we are making lower high, and after that we are going to expect another correction further to the downside, which is about the $14,000 area. Till Bitcoin actually is staying about this area and not making a lower low, we're still bullish on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is still going up further to the upside, as I'm expecting about $22,000, $24,000 to the upside for Bitcoin for the next few weeks, till Bitcoin is making higher low on the bigger time frame, which is actually about a daily time frame or weekly time frame. That means Bitcoin is still going up and is still on the uptrend. But if you check it out on the lower time frame, I'm going to show you about a minute later, if Bitcoin make a lower low on the 4-hour time frame, is not that a big issue for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you another chart I have got in here. I'm going to show you Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see on the chart, I told you about this triangle we have got in here. I did tell you maybe this one is going to be descending triangle like this, or maybe this one is going to be a symmetrical triangle like we have got in here, or maybe this one is going to be like a ascending triangle. I told you it depends how you see the chart actually, but it was like a symmetrical triangle, and as you can see it's correcting to the downside. But the good thing is, at the moment we have got the support area in this zone actually, which is about the $17,400 to $17,600. If I zoom out for you the chart, if I zoom it out for you, what you can see, we have got a really great support. As you can see, this purple line is working as a really great support. Maybe we are going to see another push to the downside till about this area, which is about $17,400, and we are still making higher low. Regarding to this low we have got, we are still making higher low and still going up. That means Bitcoin is still on the uptrend, and we are going to expect actually Bitcoin to make a rally to the upside again. This correction is really good for Bitcoin. That correction, as I see on the chart, actually is really good for him, because I can buy more Bitcoin, because I can increase my volume on trading actually. But if Bitcoin break this one to the downside, which is not that likely at the moment, if Bitcoin come down actually to the downside and break this area, we have got about the $17,300 to the downside, and after that break this area as low, which is the previous low for Bitcoin, that's going to be really bearish for Bitcoin. After that we are going to expect another correction in this area, or maybe further to the downside. but till Bitcoin actually is above this area, which is about $16,500, till Bitcoin is actually still above this area, that shows us Bitcoin is still on the uptrend and is still going up more than that. And that was only a normal correction on Bitcoin. And if I show you Bitcoin on the daily time frame, again, I told you about this chart I have got in here. Bitcoin is playing between these three trend line we have got in here. As I told you, Bitcoin made a correction here to 16,500, went up again, and this trend line was working as a resistance. Now it's coming back to the downside. Now this lower trend line we have got in here working as a really great support for Bitcoin. That's obvious. Actually, we have got a shadow below this trend line, but as long as the daily candle is staying above this area, is showing us this channel is really powerful for Bitcoin, and the trend line, the lower trend line, is working really great. Maybe I can adjust this trend line I have got in here according to this area. I can adjust that one, and as you can see, this candle is still above this lower line we have got in here. As long as the daily candle stay above this actually trend line we have got, is still bullish for Bitcoin. And if I show you Ethereum as well, if I show you the Ethereum is actually still bullish for me, because Ethereum is still making the higher low on the daily time frame. As you can see, we can see that one. Actually, we are still making higher low on the daily time frame. I'm going to show you something else as well. I told you Ethereum is playing inside this, actually between these two support and resistance. Now I need to correct that one for you. To be honest, Ethereum is playing between these two support and resistance. As you can see, the support we have got is about the $510, and the resistance we have got is about the $610. Ethereum at the moment is playing between these two support and resistance, and the most likely scenario for Ethereum is to break to the upside. It's just like an accumulation phase for Ethereum. And I told you, actually, I think yesterday or day before that one, Ethereum is actually making bullish divergence. As you can see, the RSI is going down, but the price of Ethereum is going up. That means we have got the bullish divergence on Ethereum as well. The other thing I'm going to show you, which is really good for altcoins, Bitcoin dominance. If we check it out in here, I told you I'm expecting that one happen, which happened actually after this cross we had in here. I told you I'm expecting a correction to the downside, which happened till here actually. But now, as you can see, the Bitcoin dominance is playing inside this rising wedge we have got, and the most likely scenario for rising wedge is to break to the downside. If Bitcoin dominance break to the downside, actually, which is more likely 70%, 80% is going to break to the downside, maybe from this area or maybe from this area, actually is going to be really bullish for altcoin we have got in here. If I show you the total market cap as well, total market cap is going above. Actually, the crucial resistance is breaking to the downside, but the 61% of the Fibonacci retracement is still holding the total market cap. But the total market cap without Bitcoin is breaking to the downside. But the good thing is we are still making higher low on the total market cap. That means altcoins as well. Total market cap without Bitcoin, we are still making higher low. That shows us the altcoins still have got power to go further to the upside. That was all from me for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. If you have found the video helpful, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel, and see you guys in the next one.